Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to. I have both of my Walmart beauty boxes for, I don't know if these are the winter boxes or the spring boxes. They might be the spring boxes. I will post it in, up on the screen. I lose track of what season we're getting. But before I start with those, I had mentioned prior video that I had purchased and this is from Omaton, a phone stand. Now I'll put it on the box so you can see. So this is the phone stand, and here's the back, so you can put cords through the back. Nice stand, and it's adjustable, so you can adjust it, and it's a tight adjust. Just all different positions. You can have it all the way down. Now I do have my phone here. Now my phone and phone case are like that rose gold pinky color, so I can show you. I'll just rest it on the box, and I put my cord through the back holes, and it still comes up the bottom. Hold your phone really nice. And I have a pop socket on the back, and it's still fine. A lot of times I want that to close. Have it more upright. It will go sideways. I'll show you that, like a sideways. And I have it like I'm trying to think. I have an HP tablet, normal, like 8-inch screen. And I think the Amazon, is that like the Amazon Fire? Something like that. I have one of those tablets. So they're real thin and little, and they fit nicely on this. This is completely metal. It does have, here you can see, like rubber to hold it, and there's rubber here to hold your phone so it doesn't slip. There's feet on the bottom, so this will not like ruin, like if you put it on like a wood night table or a glass top, anything. This is phenomenal, and I'm trying to keep it, and like I said, it matches my phone case and my phone perfectly. I will link, I did get this on Amazon. I don't recall, I think it was $9, $10, something like that, $8, $9, $10. I thought it would be plastic, junky, all that. When it came in, it was metal, and I saw how nicely made that was. I had to share it with you. So I will pop that at the end. I'll put a photo of it, and I'll put a link. Not a link, I'll copy what it looks like on Amazon to order it. If you guys are interested, I think this is the best phone holder that I have ever found. And I've bought many, all different kinds, and wound up throwing them away, giving them away. They just didn't work. I don't like my phone flat on my night table at night. If I get a notification, or, like my mom was in the hospital for a few days. If my phone rang, I was panicking because, it could be the hospital, and a lot of times it was just her calling, because she knew I'd be up. But, your first thought is something's wrong, which in middle of the night phone calls generally are not like, hi, how you doing? So it was nice that I could keep it upright, that I could just glance over and see that it was a notification and not the phone, or it was my mom calling me, just to chit chat. She was awake. So I think this is phenomenal, and been trying to leave it. I didn't have it. It was downstairs. I left that down in the kitchen while I was cooking. It's great when you're cooking. If you're trying to follow a recipe, or a YouTuber that's cooking and you want to follow along, to put your tablet or even your phone on that and keep it away from like food and splatters and all that stuff. This is phenomenal. Highly, highly recommend it. And for under $10, and it being metal, but I like it to keep on my desktop while I'm filming. If I need my phone to look something up, or to add up, like I didn't have it when I did my Boxy Premium, I could have quickly added up the price, but my phone happened to be in the kitchen. I'm not in the kitchen. So I'm trying to, I might order a second one to leave down in the kitchen when I'm doing stuff like that. Like I like to bring up our outside camera. I can see, when people are coming home, for dinner, then I know to, get things really rolling because they're pulling in the driveway, or, start to pull things out of the oven or off the stove. So that's nice. And, even just a phone call, text, while I'm cooking, it's there. My phone's not laying flat, getting wet, even though it's waterproof. But so enough about that, but I will give you all the information at the end of this video. So this video is, and I get 2 Walmart boxes. They are slightly different. I think they were the last time, so hopefully they still are. I know it used to be Classic and Trendsetter. I don't know if they still do that or if one's beauty and one's class something else. I honestly don't remember. But I do save the little tracking number paper, and I can quickly look it up and see how they classify each box. So this is the first box right here, and I just opened it just a few moments ago. I don't peek unless I think there's a problem. Something is, like I had an Ipsy box one time, it was totally destroyed, and yes, I had to look to make sure I wasn't missing anything, which I was not. But I've had damaged boxes, and I usually open those just to verify, because then I can quick contact the company, like get replacements hopefully before I film. So, but this one I did have no problems, but I saved the tracking number because I can go in and check and see if there's a difference. And this is the Spring 2021 Walmart Beauty Box. So happy that Target has their boxes back. So that says, a breath of fresh air for the routine, just in time for spring. Tag Walmart Beauty Box to share your look, which I don't know why I would share a look with some of these products, but it gives you a little, what you could get. You don't get every product, I don't believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 9. I don't think you get 9 products, but it doesn't matter to me. These are cute. This is from Dashing Diva. And this is the Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Full size, $6.97, 32 strips. And this is not full size because this is 20. So I guess in the full size you get 36 or 32. But that's okay to try it out. It does give you a little instructions. These are cute, like gold. Yeah, gold glitter. The animal with pink and black, and then some pink, and then it has, you know, a few of the pink ones have the gold line through them. They're cute. I might give them a try. I'm not really sure. Oh, this is interesting. Won't come in too much handy for my length of hair, but I could, like when I'm flat ironing the under, I do clip up my hair, so I could use these. These are from Scunchie, and this is the Wild Primrose hair accessory brand. Retails anywhere from $5 to $8. You get 2 of the clips. They're cute. If I don't use them, somebody else will. I like getting stuff like this from them. So this is from Hello, and this is toothpaste. Full size, which is 4 ounces. This is 1 ounce. So 4 ounce full size is $3.99. Happy to have them. They have saved me a few times when I was everybody, because I buy toothpaste for the bathrooms all at the same time. We were all at the same time, and I was like, uh-oh, wait, I have a whole bunch of samples. So it did come in handy to keep them. They're great for travel. The next thing is from Olay Regenerous. This is the Ultra Rich. Here, and this is a little tiny pot. Full size of this is $28.94, and this is just, you know, a nice rich moisturizer. You probably just get a little. You know, that's not too bad for a little pot. No scent. I have used this in the past. I do like it, so I'm happy to have another one. Then we have a little, and I don't generally care for these here. And this is from Tanologist. You find it on here. It's not on here. So this just might be just like a little foil pack. Face and body drops. You add this to moisturizer. This is like a medium tanning. I'm not a big fan of stuff like that. I'm not opposed to self-tanning, and I've done it. But I don't like that when you have to add it to moisturizer. I would just rather just use like a mousse type product. So then here we have from Humphrey's. This is Witch Hazel Toner. Full size is $10.98. This is 3 ounces. The full size is 8 ounces. And this is organic toner with wild crop certified witch hazel. It doesn't have any kind of scent. Nice wood. Oh no, that's plastic. It looks like wood. It does have a seal on it, which is nice. I love witch hazel for your skin. It's so nice. This is nice to have. I'm not angry at this at all. And this is vegan. Cruelty free. So that's nice. So the items that I didn't get that you could have, and I kind of wish I did get the Bliss Drench and Quench Hydrating Cream. I love that. There was a Seventh Heaven charcoal peel-off mask. I don't care for the charcoal part. Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. Okay, that would have been nice to try. And then they had the Hello Activated Charcoal Toothbrush, which I do think I have a couple of those. I don't know if it's linked below. Yeah, we have gotten them in the past. I still have one. Oh, there's a little bit of... Didn't come in this box, but I still have one from before. They're not, they're quick. Throw in your bag. You want to take it. It does stain your teeth initially in your gums, but it really does clean your teeth nice. So, I'm okay with that. I would have loved the Bliss moisturizer because I do love it. So that's this box. And we'll put this back here, and then we'll move on to my second box. And I think these are like $7 or $7.50, something like that now. They're not $5 anymore. So once again, I saved the paper, and then I'll be able to look up the and see what box is what labeled. So it's still, the same pamphlet, same insides. Did I get the same stuff? A little variance, not much. So this is, let me just see what this is. Okay, so I did get the Humphrey's Witch Hazel Organic Toner, but this is Calm and Clarify with Lavender. So that's nice. Happy to have that. Oh, this one I did get this. I might share this in it. I'll put this in my master and share this. I don't like charcoal of anything. Seventh Heaven Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. This is full size, $1.37. We have another Hello toothpaste, and this is the activated charcoal, and this is like an epic whitening. It really does whiten your teeth, so I'm glad I got two different kinds on that. Looks like I have the same Dashing Diva gel palette, so I'll share. Maybe I'll put these both in giveaways just because I have the DIY Nail Shack ones that I like. Another foil pack from Tanologist. And then the difference is from Scunchie, I have the Wild Primrose clips, 2 hair clips. So, anywhere from $5 to $8. And these are just the little clip backs. Let me see if I can pull one off. These are kind of cute. You just clip it in your hair. I'm not going to do it. But, if I wanted to clip my hair back, well, I will do it. What do I care? Put it in, when I'm putting my skincare on, my moisturizer. I usually just use my big clips and grab because the top is the only part that gets on my nerves when I'm trying to do that. It falls on my face. I usually just grab my big clip and put it up top, but I could use these instead. So I'm not mad at either one of these boxes, honestly. I have been getting these for as long as they've been around, which has been a long time. It's a long time for Walmart. And I'm always happy. Did I like it better at the $5 free with the $5 shipping? Yes, they raised it to $7 or $7.50 a box, but I still think these are great boxes to get. Get all different kinds of samples. Every once in a while, we do get full-size items in these boxes, so I definitely think they're worth it. So I will leave the link so that you can click on. It's an active live link. You never have to copy and paste it. You can just click on it and it'll take you to the Walmart section where you could sign up for these boxes. I don't know if there's a wait list or not. I don't think so. I know Macy's still has a wait list. I don't know what their problem is, but I don't think there's a wait list for this. Keep an eye out for April's Target beauty boxes. They're not called beauty box anymore. If you search on their site, they're the Target capsule. So you have to look for it a little differently. I can't wait for them for April. So I appreciate all you watching. I hope everyone's doing well. And spring is here. Can't wait for the nice warmer weather. I think we were about in the upper 50s. We're about 48 now, but it's still nice. I do have my window cracked. I did have my fan on earlier, my ceiling fan. It got a little warm. It was like 55, but the humidity was starting to pick up because we had some rain, so it's still floating around in the air. That's the only thing I hate about the warmer weather is the humidity. But if I want the warmth, I got to take the humidity with it. Everyone have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.